In this tutorial, I'll show you how to embed Google Slides on your Weebly website. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then log in to your account. From your dashboard, select your website and click Edit Site to open the editor. Now open your Google Slides presentation in a new tab. Click File, then choose Share and select Publish to Web. Switch to the Embed tab and click Publish. Copy the embed code that appears. Go back to your Weebly editor and make sure you're on the Build tab. On the left side, find the embed code element and drag it onto your page where you want the presentation to appear. Click on the element and select Edit Custom HTML. Then paste the embed code you copied from Google Slides. Your presentation will now appear directly on your website and visitors can view it without leaving your page. That's how to embed Google Slides on Weebly. Thanks for watching.